I've got this fence line here and it has the weeds all grown up for years inside the fence. Can't really get it with a weed trimmer because the nylon line just catches on the fence. But I found out that by using the pressure washer, you can make some pretty short work of it. Just clean as a whistle. So that's a little DeWalt pressure washer with a spinning nozzle on it. 4,200 PSI looks like. Hasn't taken me too long to get that whole fence down. Pretty nice. And I don't know how long. I don't think you could do it with a weed trimmer because the nylon line just wraps around the wires and breaks.